How come you have patent leather shoes on?
Let's play again. Daddy can't find one of his shoes. It's in here somewhere. Is it on
You've
the
got a
dresser?
sucker in your mouth. Sit down.
No!
That's it. Don't sit on it.
Is the missing shoe beside the mirror? No! Can you find Daddy's shoe?
Cheese.
August, did you go?
Did you go potty, August?
Top of the bed, under the
Come here, August, look. Did you go potty? Hold up your paper that
It's
you
a
made.
good thing we found Daddy's shoe because he looked funny walking around with only
Hold it
one
up.
shoe on. Yeah!
No, not too far up. For the camera. Wow, that's pretty, August.
Let's play.
Does it look like our Christmas tree, Adam? You want to hold yours?
It doesn't look like the
Hold it so I can. Oh, that's very nice. Want to go stand by the tree?
Is he under the tree?
See what it looks like?
I do.
Is he on top
Okay,
of the tree?
go ahead. We'll follow you.
Is he up on a shelf?
Wow. I think it looks like our tree.
No.
What do you think?
See where he is? On top of the teddy bear.
Is that our tree?
Yeah, Teddy's wearing a funny hat. Dinosaur hat.
Where's our tree, Julia?
Right here.
Found Mommy's keys, Daddy's shoe, and Lucy. We found everything that was lost.
Sit down. You got a sucker.
Is that pretty? Yes, pretty.
It's right here, John.
Yeah, what color is it?
See you next
Green.
Okay, that's what we do our trees.
For more fun and games to
Also.
Nice. Oh, that's good, Adam. Really good. Thanks, boys.
Welcome.
Hi there, Oda. Looks like you guys are getting ready for lunch. Yes, we're using this chart to pick out healthy meals.